delicious. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. How are you guys doing? Okay, in today's video I want to prepare a Mboro, and this is my banana. Mboro is porridge banana. So I'm going to wash the banana, peel it and grate it. So watch this video to the end and see how I'm going to prepare it. Okay, so now I will wash my banana. Okay, let me show you guys. This is banana and this is my vegetable. This is fish and pepper. Here is crayfish, palm oil, maggi and salt. So now let me wash the banana and peel it. Let's peel the banana. So guys, I've finished peeling the banana. I finished peeling the banana. Now this is my manual grater. I'll grate the banana. So watch me grate the banana. This is how you grate banana for a Mboro. Okay guys, I'm done grating the banana. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks. Now I will add seasoning cube for taste, maggi for taste, and mix it. So I will add little salt. And mix it. Okay guys, so now I will put the pot on fire. I have added water in the pot. So I will cover it and wait for it to boil. So while waiting, let me wash my vegetable. Okay, so I want to slice my vegetable now. Okay guys, so now I will pound pepper and crayfish. Here is my crayfish. So this is my fish. This is ibat. This fish, we call it ibat bonga fish. It has a lot of bones. Let's check the water and boil. So now I will add my crayfish, pepper and the dry fish. Salt, so now let me wash my hands. I will start adding the banana bit by bit, like this. This is how I'll be adding it bit by bit. Okay, so guys, I'm done adding. Now I will cover and allow to boil very well. Okay. Okay, it has boiled. Let's turn it. So now I will add my ugu. Palm oil. Wow, this is yummy. This is yummy, yummy, yummy. I love this. At Mboro. Food is ready, guys. Bring your plates. Get your plates. Get your plates. Food is ready. Food is ready. This is yummy. This is beautiful, delicious. Mboro is ready. Guys, come and join me. Wow. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Guys, this Mboro, you use your finger to eat it. So I'll use my fingers. And woo, it's very hot. So I'll leave it to cool down before I can come and enjoy it.